And I'm doing a thermostat housing change on this 2009 Chrysler Sebring world-class engine, 2.4 liter. So basically the car was getting a lot of overheats, and the reason for being why it was overheating is that we have a gasket, internal gasket here, and this gasket, if you can see it, was melted. The heat got too hot from the engine and it just started leaking everywhere out of the side of the thermostat housing. So the gasket is completely melted and just done for, as well as the internal. There's two thermostats. There's a 204 degree and there's a 170 degree, I believe. And the 170 would be the outer one that you can change easily on the bottom here. This bottom one, that is the 170. The internal one that goes into the engine would be this one right here. And as you can see, the gasket on that one is pretty much fried and done, and I bet you the thermostat is sticking as well. So to replace those, there's three 10mm bolts, 1, 2, and 3 on the other side, and you take those off. First you take off your intake air box, and then you unbolt those 3 bolts, and then it comes as a little bit of a twist. To take it off, you gotta wiggle it off of this O-ring down right here. You gotta wiggle it off of that internal O-ring, and don't forget to change these rings when you're doing this job. The O-ring doesn't come without the housing, so you have to buy the housing in order to get this O-ring, the internal one. But instead, what I did was I went to O'Reilly's and I had them match up the same size O-ring with some stock or spare ones that they had, and I got the exact same fit. So if you can do that, then you'll be on your way. But make sure you clean your surfaces and around the area, and refill and burp your car afterwards. And that's all I got for you guys. Until next time.